as you may know, every single creator on YouTube starts at exactly 0 subscribers. But here's the thing, you don't have to stay there. My name is Liara, and today I'm going to be sharing with you how you can get your first 100 subscribers. So when I launched my channel, my first ASMR video is what brought in 180 subscribers for me, because it's what hit the algorithm and hooked the audience in straight away. So YouTube's algorithm can be unpredictable though, but here is a secret. You must create content you are passionate about. If you don't enjoy making it, your viewers will most likely not enjoy watching it. So to turn that passion into your first 100 subscribers, you need to follow these rules. So for me, you got to step 1, master the first few seconds. So don't start your video with a long introduction or a blank screen. If you want to put a small intro at the start, then that is fine. But I wouldn't recommend putting in a very long intro. Mine at most is about 9 seconds. But my ASMR video, I gave an intro straight away. And because it was a tingly intro, which is what people clicked for, it's what helped the algorithm to get more people in, and people liked my video. So that's how I got my subscribers hooked in. And then step 2, you're going to double down on what works. So once you upload a few videos, look closely at your analytics. If one video gets even slightly more views than the others, make a part 2, which is what I did, even though it was like a million years later. Yes, I know. Got to do it as quick as possible. So don't wait until aliens arrive. Do it as soon as you possibly can. And step 3, the most important, just be yourself. Everyone loves to see an original person with their own creative mind. That's personally my advice. If you don't be yourself when you're trying to be someone else, I feel like people will be able to pick up on that. So you got to try and be yourself. So drop a comment below with what your channel is about, and let's help each other grow. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.